Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video of me, MJ Stevian. And as you can see by the title, we are doing episode number 1 of the Discord.js tutorial series. So yeah, I will leave all links that you need down in the description. I'll leave about 4 links to different code editors. And so the first thing you need is node.js.org, and then you want to install this version here. I'll put it installed, so I'll put it installed it, and we want to install it. I use this one, yeah, the current, because I know what I'm doing, but you do not want to use current yet. You want to use this. Recommended for most users. So once you've got that, close on your tab, then go to code.visualstudio.com. Then you want to install, download, disable build for Windows. Obviously I've got the Insiders Edition, because yeah, I need that for the stuff that I do. Now, what you want to do, once you've installed that, go through the installation, and so like, once you've got that, open this. Actually, first what you want to do is you want to go to your desktop, make a folder. So what you want to call that is your bot name, so we're going to call it tutorial. And then what you want to do is shift and right click, then open PowerShell here. And then this should let us, well, yeah, do this. So you're going to do npm I discord.js. Now these are the only packages, these packages that I'm going to show you right now are the only ones I'm going to need. So I will leave links to the npm pages, discord.js npm, and the commando npm, which we want to copy that, just so you know we can get that set up, ready. So yeah. I am also going to have a GitHub link down in the description for you, ready? And then once that's installed, you want to do this, you want to copy and paste that in. npm I discord.js commando. Now, this won't be used until the future, but we want to install it anyway, just so we can. Now we want to just cls and then npm init. What you want to do is, with this load, you want to put tutorial 1.0.0 description a YouTube tutorial board. Then we've got the boss.js. Test command is not on the guild because you're going to have that in the future. You know what, I'll make a repository now. I'm going to make this public, initialize with a .ruby file, and then create. Oh, now keywords, node, discord, node, js, comma, npm, all that and do license, you don't want license, then keywords, this way, there we go. So there's that install. So now what you want to do is you want to go into your code editor. I have not refreshed this. Oh, whatever, okay, that's fine, doesn't matter. Open folder, tutorial, folder, and this will have everything that we need inside of it. Start coding the what? I should. And if it did the initialization correctly. You know what? Just make sure we're going to do all those again. npm I discord.js. Just make sure, yeah, we go, and then we npm I. Oh, we can just. Okay, we don't need different things, so it's fine. So now what you can do is now you right click here, new file, and then call this boss.js and just zoom in. Const discord actually, you know what, we'll do this. One moment, please. Let me check something. Basically, next episode will be the command handler. So basically, we don't need anything else. Wait, what else is in there? Right, now what you want to do is you want to do const const box outlined equal mean right now. That client there can be anything that you want. It can be fucking dick if you want it like that, but no, just leave it as that. And then no, we don't need to do anything, so we'll just do bot.login. Ready? Bot.login. And then you know what? Just to set this off, go to discordapp.com. Hi, okay, turn this option on. What you want to do is you want to go to here, go down and show you most of you can do it, then go down to appearance, and then turn on developer mode. That way you can basically just do whatever you want. Basically make bots. That's what you need to make bots basically. And then go to developer portal. And that, do what you want to create a new application. Call this YouTube. I'll show you how to do this next episode actually, because I need to delete some of these. So yeah, anyway people, if you did enjoy this video, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Peace out and goodbye.